Why should you do online surveys? Now, here's some harsh, cold truth for you. You're not going to get rich doing online surveys. You just don't make enough money with online surveys. Surveys pay you anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars depending on the length of the survey, the type of survey, and what it's about. However, this is money that you can make from home while in pajamas, so why not, right? You can also use online surveys to raise capital for things such as your other businesses or any other projects that you're working on. I heard of a mother who was able to make money with online surveys while sitting down and breastfeeding. So online surveys can be great for people depending on their situation. Now here are some other benefits of surveys. You get to see new products before they come out. You get to watch movie trailers that haven't been released yet. And you can do them on your mobile devices so you can make money while you're waiting for an appointment or while you're at the park.